Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check the AirPods Max firmware and ensure the iPhone or Mac shows them connected. Open voice memos and record a short test to see if the mic registers audio. This tells you whether the problem is hardware or software. Once done, make sure battery is above 50% and perform a quick reboot of both the headphones and source device. These steps isolate the issue fast, so you don't waste time replacing parts unnecessarily. Next, reset and reconfigure. Press and hold the digital crown and noise control button together for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears many mic glitches. Then forget the AirPods Max in Bluetooth settings and pair them again to force a fresh handshake. Make sure your iPhone or Mac runs the latest OS, update if not. If the mic still misbehaves, reset network settings on your phone and repair. Sometimes Bluetooth profiles are corrupted, and this step restores stable audio routing. For final steps, perform a physical check. Inspect microphone ports and gently clean with a dry, soft brush or compressed air from a distance. Do not insert anything into openings. Test the headphones with another phone or computer to confirm whether the mic itself is failing versus the primary device. If the problem persists after resets and cleaning, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Microphone assemblies are sealed, and professional repair or replacement is often required. If repair isn't immediate, use your phone's mic as a temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.